Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of NBA Live Mobile. And in this episode, I'm going to be opening a Big Moments pack. So, I just bought all of this stuff for this, and hopefully we will get in elite. So, here we go. I'm going to claim it. I'm going to open it. If I get Courtney Lee, I'm going to cry. So I'm going to cover it up. Isaiah Thomas. What a pull. Alright, I'm going to screenshot that real quick, guys. Great pull right there, guys. As you can see, his wicked stats. Worth my coins by far. So I'm just going to put him in there, and yeah. So we got a 3 shooting lineup. So kind of a short pack opening, but hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for stopping by, and see you later.